So you're flying to Stockholm, famous for its stunning city hall, royal palace, and countless museums. But you have no idea where the airport is and how do you get from it to the city center. Well, we're here to help. But first, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and do not forget to ring the notification bell. Stockholm's main airport is Arlanda Airport, located 40 kilometers north of the city, or approximately 25 miles. If you're flying to Sweden from anywhere else, you'll almost always be arriving here. Once you deplane, just follow the signs for ground transportation. The good news is there are a few different options available for the journey from Arlanda to Stockholm's downtown area. Some are cheaper than others, but all will get you to the city center in less than an hour. There are three main ways to get from Arlanda Airport to Stockholm city center. Either by train, express or commuter train, by bus, either a shuttle bus or the public bus, or third, by taxi/rideshare. As stated before, all will get you to city center in less than an hour. If speed is your need and price is not a factor, then the Arlanda Express is for you. Taking less than 20 minutes between the airport and Stockholm's central station, the Arlanda Express leaves every 15 minutes. The train platform is located underneath the airport terminals and has several entrances. Just follow the signs. They are big, bold, and bright. Very hard to miss. Buy tickets from the official Arlanda Express website at arlandaexpress.com, the Arlanda Express app, or from self-service ticket machines located on the train platform next to all escalators and elevators. Tickets for Arlanda Express are on the pricey side though. If you're 26 and older, you'll pay just under 300 Swedish kronor for a one-way ticket. Discounts are available online for advanced bookings, groups, seniors, and a host of other options. Just go to www.arlandaexpress.com or the Arlanda Express app for more details. For those seeking a discount, there are reduced fares for those traveling in parties of 2, 3, and 4. From Arlanda Airport to central Stockholm, the journey is 18 minutes. Make sure to have your ticket. However, you can buy a ticket on the train. Please note that Arlanda Express has a boarding fee of 100 Swedish krona and they do not take cash. For those that need to go from central station back to the airport, just reverse the journey. Again, trains run approximately every 15 minutes. If budget is more important than speed, commuter trains run by SL Stockholm Public Transport are half the cost of the Arlanda Express but take twice as long. Follow the signs for Arlanda Sea trains. SL trains depart from Arlanda Central Station in Sky City between terminals 4 and 5. The trains leave every half hour between 5 a.m. and midnight, and the journey takes 39 minutes. A single journey ticket from Arlanda Airport to Stockholm City Station costs 157 kronor. Tickets are available from the ticket office at Sky City or at the self-service ticket machines or through their app. You can also buy a travel card valid for 24 or 72 hours, good on Stockholm's public transportation system. You can use this for the train from the airport to the city center, but you will need to pay a passage supplement fee. If you're in Stockholm area for a while, buy the SL Access card, which can be reloaded as you go. The bus. If you're taking a bus, again, follow the signs for ground transportation. There are many. Buses depart in front of the terminals. Flygbussarna operates coaches which depart Arlanda Airport every 10 to 15 minutes, with travel times about 50 minutes to the city center. Buses depart from terminals 5, 4, and terminals 2 and 3. You can buy tickets with a credit card from the ticket machine or on the bus, but you'll pay a bit less if you buy your ticket in advance through the Flygbussarna website or app. Flixbus operates an airport bus from Terminal 5. with buses running every 30 minutes. Cost €24. Pro tip: the cheapest way into central Stockholm is to use a combination of public bus and commuter rail. Take public bus 583 to Marsta station. Travel time is around 18 minutes. The bus stop is located between terminals 4 and 5. From Marsta station, take the commuter line into Stockholm Central Station, avoiding the passage supplement fee. Altogether, your journey time should be around an hour. Taxis and rideshare. Taxis are available directly outside all terminals. In Sweden, taxi companies can set their own prices, so always ask the driver what price is in effect before you start your trip. The maximum price from Arlanda Airport to Stockholm City Center is 675 kroner. Uber is alive and well, but drivers are required to have a taxi's license. From the airport to City Center, it will set you back around 500 kroner. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And do not forget to ring that notification bell. Till next time, happy and safe travels.